gosh, Rosetta, don't you have a college degree? You shouldn't act or speak that way.
Hey guys, so today I'm talking about having a college degree. I have my bachelor's in communications. Thank you, stop. Because I have my bachelor's in communications, people believe that I should behave and speak a certain type of way. Like, I remember one time my brother said to me, Rosetta, you can't act like that because you got a college degree. Let me tell you something. If you coming at me crazy, I will college educatedly curse you the fuck out. Like, that's just how I'm coming. Also, I remember one time somebody was like, Rosetta, don't play stupid. Don't you got a college degree? Bitch, I'm not playing stupid. You're not communicating like an adult. So I'm going to sit here and wait for you to communicate like an adult so then I can tell you about yourself. Also, I realize with people, like, don't get it twisted, I am very proud that I have my degree, but I feel like people kind of put me on a pedestal in a sense, and I don't like that because I'm not better than anybody. Like, I'm not better than somebody without a college degree. Like, I don't like that. And also, people just automatically assume because I have a college degree, I'm like this genius. I'm not saying I'm stupid, but I know a lot of smart people without college degrees. Like, don't look at someone because they don't have a college degree, they're automatically dumb. And don't look at somebody with a college degree and assume that they're smart, because I know a lot of people without degrees and they're so smart. And I know a lot of dumbasses with college degrees and they just put in the time and the effort into getting their degree. At the end of the day, a college degree is just a piece of paper, and it does not define a person. What defines a person is who they are, not a piece of paper. Like, at the end of the day, like I said, I'm very proud that I put in the time and the effort, but please don't make it seem like I'm better than anybody or I'm smarter than somebody without a college degree, because like I said, there are brilliant and smart people out there without college degrees. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Mwah, 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 mwah.